Okay, so here is our Solo Stove cover. It just came, threw it right over. So this is the Solo Stove cover that actually covers the surround piece as well. So you can tell it's a lot bigger than just a Solo Stove. We have the Solo Stove Bonfire. So here it is. It is 44 in diameter and 20 inches high. So I'm gonna step back a little bit so you can see what it looks like. I love how it looks. It also has, and it's already rained on it, so it came in perfect time, and the rain was perfect up here, and look at really quality material. So I like this. It also has the drawstring on the bottom, which I thought was awesome. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I take this off, so I can show you what the Solo Stove surround piece looks like as well. Super easy to take off and put on. So here is our surround piece. So we have the Wan Chow, so it's 40 inches in diameter and looks great around the bonfire. It's exactly what I was looking for. What we don't have on here, which it did come with, is it has fabric pieces that stretch on either side. So you can actually cover that whole bottom if you want to. We didn't feel the need because we've got the cover for it, but this is what I really wanted for a couple of reasons. One, I have the Solo Stove bottom piece, but I like how it's off the ground. We at first did not put these on and realized quickly that it goes way too far down. So because the Solo Stove gets so hot, these would definitely just be way too hot. It wouldn't make sense. So we put those on. And what I really wanted was just a surround piece around the Solo Stove so that the kids and dog, let me focus in on, there you go. The kids and dog wouldn't get burned. So it's perfect for that. Gives you a nice space around it, and it looks really nice. I do like how it looks a little bit better with the fabric pieces, but again, we're putting the cover on it. It's winter time. We'll worry about that in the summertime. Overall, looking awesome. Really, really like this. Good quality steel. Focus in on that. Really nice. Phone is not focusing. There we go. You can see how beautiful it is. Quality made. Did not take my husband long to put together at all.